I'm going to show you how I draw with a Pentel Color Brush pen. So this one is in sepia, which is a beautiful color for a subject like this. It's a little Italian village. I'm not thinking about color at all. I'm just thinking about value, which is, how light or dark everything is. And these brushes are filled with gorgeous water-soluble ink. So when you add water to them, you get these great washes, which you'll see in just a second. But the first thing I do is I go around. I don't worry too much about details. I just want to get in the darks and the lights and make sure there's enough ink on the paper so there's kind of a little reservoir for when I come in and add water. So here I have a clean brush. This is just plain water. And my brush is damp, but not super wet, because I want to really be able to control where the water goes and how much ink is flowing. So after I get the shadow side in, I try to make it really, really light on the sunny side. You can also just use the white of your paper, but I want to get a little bit of that sepia in everywhere. So I'm just dropping that in. And I'll even put a little bit up in the sky just to give the sky a little bit of a presence and make some of those bright whites really pop. And then once this is dry, and you do want to make sure it's totally dry, you can come in and really sharpen up some details. Because obviously when you add water, the edges of things kind of blur. But that's sort of part of its charm, is that you get these really soft edges. So if you like this, I teach a whole class in it. I'll put the link below. And also I send out weekly art tutorials that you can get in your inbox. And I'll also put a link to where you can get one of these pens if you've never tried them. And if you have tried them, post a comment. Let me know what you think.